Common misconceptions people have with regards to using a crystal or wearing a crystal. So in this video, we want to talk about the common misconceptions people have with regards to using a crystal or wearing a crystal. So first being that crystals can only be worn after a consultation. So this actually is not true. Why? Because if you are going through any specific issue in your life, or if you are going through any kind of any challenge that you're facing that you in your life at this point in time, you can always read out the properties of the crystal and choose a crystal that is appropriate for the need, the requirement that you have at that point in time in your life. However, having said that, you can always do a consultation and take a consultation where you can get your birth charts read through an astrologer, and whatever then the person suggests, you can always wear your birth charts related stones. But it is not mandatory to wear crystals which are only pertaining to your birth chart. Yeah, so if you feel that at this point in time in my life I am going through a lot of sadness, I'm going through a lot of depression, or I need to overcome laziness, I need to overcome procrastination, so read through the properties of the crystals and see which would resonate with whatever you are facing in your life at this point in time, and then choose to wear a crystal. Although you can definitely go for a consultation, but it is not mandatory that you need to go for a consultation and only then wear a crystal. Yes. Second myth and second misconception that people have, that crystals emit negative energies if we do not wear it according to our horoscope. That's not right. Crystals never emit negative energies. Crystals only emit positive energies. So when you are choosing to wear a crystal for yourself, remember that if you're wearing for a specific purpose or an objective that you need at that point in time in your life, that crystal is going to help you. It is not that it is going to start emitting negative energies and then it is going to make your life much more miserable. That's now not how it works. Another thing is that crystals have an expiry date to them. They do not have an expiry date. The only thing that is required from your end to work with your crystals for a longer duration of time is to timely cleanse and charge them so that you can harness the most of the healing powers from the crystals. Yes. Another very common misconception with regards to crystals is that crystals can heal you and change your life overnight. But that's not how it is. Crystals emit radiations and healing energies into your aura. They can help you come out of a particular situation and the things, these healing things that happen will not just happen overnight, because it requires a lot of effort from your end too. Now suppose if you are going through a physical issue or going through a physical ailment in your life, and if you choose to work with a particular crystal, that crystal will enable you to make your progress faster in your healing journey. But the action that is required from your end will have to be there in place. If your healing issue requires certain lifestyle changes, then that is something that you will have to make from your end. Suppose if you're wearing a crystal for losing weight, and you just wear a crystal and you just have this assumption that now I'm wearing a crystal, I'm going to lose weight just like this. But on the other hand, if you're not stopping to consume the calories and just having mindless eating, so that is now not how it is going to help. How will a crystal complement in your healing journey is that it can help you reduce the cravings. But if you yourself choose to, indulge into all the stuff that is making you put on weight, then crystals cannot come and just give you an awareness that, okay, hey, stop. That's not how it works. So you have to make certain lifestyle changes alongside wearing a crystal, so the crystals would always complement in your healing journey. Yes, the action needs to be taken from your end for the progress and to ensure that there is a good growth and progress in your healing journey. So another common misconception that many of us have, that if a crystal breaks on its own, it's a bad omen. No, it is not. And you can always go and check out our previous video where we have discussed that what could be the reason why your crystal breaks. So understand, even if the crystal is breaking on its own, or if you misplace, or if you lose it, it's completely okay. There is no bad omen that is going to happen for you. Yeah. Now remember that crystals are not a replacement to any medical issues. If you are facing any chronic medical issues, you must take a consultation from a doctor and continue to have your medications alongside taking the help of wearing a crystal. Yes, so crystals are not a replacement to medical science. If there is an intervention that is required, it is required from an external help or from an external source too. Yeah, I hope you found this video very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.